Ruby's enjoying the sunshine. I'm out on our patio. We're still trying to decide how to make our outdoor aviary for the birds. I've had a few delays with some doctor appointments for myself that I've had to schedule. So we're a little behind on getting our design. Today's a beautiful day, isn't it? So the bird room is right there through those doors. And I'm just hanging outside with Ruby, babysitting her while she gets her sunshine. And then I'll let her play in the bird playroom area while I start cleaning. Today's cleaning day. Full scrub. I clean every day. But today I'm taking all the cages out here because it's hot and sunny, so they'll dry really well. You have anything to say? Oh, sweet girl. Are you super excited? Summer is here. So beautiful. Ruby's 19 years old. If you haven't seen her birthday party video, check out that video. Go to the video section and scroll down for February. Her birthday is February 14th, so we had a Valentine birthday party for her. Are you ready to get some more birdies out here? You guys are so funny. Gonna eat your veggies, Henry? Today is Sunday Funday. We're just hanging out. I'm gonna clean the cages and have a fun day. What's that noise? The weather is so gorgeous. 87 degrees. Are your veggies yummy, Henry and Axel? So this is Henry right here on the left. That's Axel right here. So this is Henry and that's Axel. And they have different personalities too. Henry is a little bit more frightened by fast movements or sounds, whereas Axel is just more laid back. They are both extremely smart. We do a lot of enrichment learning activities with them, with colors, our colored rings. Got some cube toys. Avid chewers. They love to chew. So they require a lot of toys and rotation. Senegal parrots are awesome pets. And they are fairly quiet. One of the quietest birds that I've ever had. Probably want a cracker? Tawny continues to thrive and is doing fantastic with her diet. She loves playing with her toys. As you can see on her beak right there, she's got a little piece that has overgrown. I'm going to trim off.
Hi, Tawny.
And a little filing should take care of the problem.
Hi.
I won't be able to see a really big difference in her feather plumage, and using the coconut oil and her apple cider vinegar in her water until she molts out these unhealthy, stressed feathers. I also don't see any new follicles coming in for where she's missing feathers, so at this point she's probably not going to grow them back, but her new feathers that are coming in when she starts molting should come in a lot healthier and prettier.
Polly, want a cracker? Oh, Boo's coming out today. Hi, Boo. Such a pretty boy.
Does it look like you? Does it look like you, Boo?